Okay, this is Percival September 2013 Petflow cat box. Rose is still waiting for hers, so I'll open it up. Petflow is $24.99 a month. While I've gotten some good stuff in this cat box, been a little disappointed because the value is either equal to or actually less than what I paid for the box, so it's not really worth my money. I've written them a couple of emails stating that maybe they should lower the price of the cat box or they should put more stuff in it, so we'll see. Let's see, so open it up. Okay, that's what it looks like with the nice paper. Got 2 packing bags. Yeah, see, there's not a whole lot in there. Okay, we have some wet food that Percy doesn't eat. Turkey pate from Merrick Perfect. And we also got a tuna pate from the same company, the Preferred Bistro. The next item is cranberry cabernet sharing special moments. It's little, made with chicken and cranberries. And you can see a little over there. Okay, next item is we got Meow Teenies. This one is white fish formula with olive flavored bits. And you can see it right in there. And we have Pet Naturals Fun Shaped Chews Calming, supports stress reduction. That should be good because he does get a little crazy. We'll see how he likes those. We got some rope mice that, of course, he'll play with and they'll wind up under the couch, as most cat toys do. Another thing we have is a cat dancer. It looks like it, yes, you can see the back. It's kind of on a wire. We'll definitely have to give that a try. Try to video some of that later. Cat dancer. And finally, Super Cat catnip stickers, 60 totals. Each scratch releases thousands of micro encapsulated catnip bubbles, just like scratch and sniff stickers. And there we go. I have to give that a try. Okay, so that's what we got in this month's Petflow cat box. I'll have to see what the total comes up to. And there we go. That's September's Petflow cat box. Okay, I've got a little sticker here. It does smell kind of herby. Here's Percy. Let's stick that on the chair. Anything? No. Okay, took out the wire. Looks like some cardboard on the end. Okay, this will work.